you need to get one of these without spending a lot of D's, this is the video you need to watch. Whether you have a 1990 Nissan Maxima or if you have a shiny new Mustang, it doesn't matter. I have a solution for all of them except for this critter. Watch this. I'm going to take y'all in the back of one of my rooms in my warehouse. This here is actually the space where I keep all my factory and aftermarket transmitters. In this one room alone, I'd say there's got to be at least 130 to 140,000 transmitters in here. And you can spend a long time in here and still never find the one that you're looking for. So in here, this is the new remote that I'm talking about today in this video. This one here can literally cover over 65 million different vehicles. And the price, you can't beat the price. I mean, this one here, you need to go to a dealership, a locksmith, or someone to help you out. This one right here, everything you need is right in the back. And the clamshell is a big booklet of instructions. It's just like programming a TV remote, people. It's something to it. Here I am in the back of my warehouse, my regular filming spot, and I want to show you the two different models. There's two of these. You'll notice that one of them is gray. Then you got another one right here, which is pure black, right? So this one here is for the classic, the old school stuff. So if you have a 1989 through a 2002 vehicle, not that a 2002 is old school yet, I guess by my definition anyway, this is the remote for you. If you need something that's from 97 through 2015, which is literally just a couple years ago, this one here is the one for you. So each remote control has a separate lock and unlock icon, panic, trunk, and option 1 and 2. So if you have sliding doors for left and right, or lift gate, gas door pop, or sunroof, whatever have you, this remote will do all of those functions. Literally one remote. This one here in the instructions, like I said, this is just like programming a TV remote. Some of them you just have to learn over the air. Some of them you work like a TV remote. We have to enter like in a 1, 2, 3 kind of digit code. These are some of the vehicles that it covers. I know that's impossible to read, but I want to show you some of these right here because anybody can identify with looking at just some of these remotes. You can see you have all the old Acuras, the Hondas, the Code Alarms, the GMs, the Toyotas, Lexus, Lincoln, Pontiac, VW, Toyota, Subaru, Nissan. It just goes on and on. This one remote does all of these. Same thing goes for this guy here, except this one is even more broad in its coverage. So just for instance, there you go. Here's some of your GMs. That's pretty much all the current ones from the last decade. More GMs, Lincoln, Jaguar, Jeep, Lincoln. Just goes on. It's crazy. All your Fords. Some of those guys can get pretty expensive. This one remote can do all of those remote controls. It's literally crazy. I'm so excited. I just got to tell my voice because I can't believe that my business just shrunk from 20,000 SKUs to 2. That's technology for you. To recap what I explained in the back in the warehouse, there's two models. This one here is a CRC. That's for the classic cars. Basically anything from the early 90s to the early 2000s. This is your remote. The later stuff, 97 up to 2015, this is the one you want, the CR01. Both of them look the same. Both carry a 3-year warranty. Live tech support if you need it from Omega, AudioVox, or ourselves here if you purchase it from us. The range is better, which is a huge bonus because as cars get older, the receivers in these cars actually decrease in sensitivity. So this will actually help and give you a boost in that as well. It is water resistant and is a 3-year warranty. So what I'm showing you here is the classic model, and these are basically the gist of the more popular models that this thing supports and replaces. So you can see all these old Chryslers, Dodges, Mopars, Lexus, Lincoln, Isuzu, Hyundais, Nissans, Honda's a big one, GM of course, all your Fords. I mean, you got the Nissans again over here, Subaru, Toyota, Volkswagen. This one right here can cost you a pretty penny, I know, because I sell this one pretty often. Some of these guys get pretty pricey, so this one right here will cover just about all of those things. Changing the battery is shown right here, super easy. It pops right apart, no tools required. There is no tools at all with these things. The newer version, the CR01, this is a taste of what all the remotes that this thing will support, and there's a lot of them. There's your GMs, Cadillacs. These are all the later versions. Then you get into the Chryslers, your Dodge. There's your Fords, GMC. Just goes on, people. Jaguar, Jeep, Infiniti, more Fords, Mazdas, Mercurys, of course, Nissans, Olds, Buick, Plymouth, a lot of these things like Pontiac. I mean, these dealerships don't even exist anymore, so you need this type of stuff now more than ever. There's your Saturn, there's another example. Try finding a Saturn dealer to help you, right? The Toyotas, Suzukis, Volkswagen, so many of these things are just obsolete and hard to find. So there's just a limitless amount of usefulness to have these remote controls, whether you need one for yourself or if you're doing it as a business. This is just an amazing product, and I was very excited to create this video because I know it's going to help a lot of the base and the people that I do business with. So if you're looking for one, there'll be links below to both of the remote controls, and I hope this was helpful to everybody. If you liked the video, please give it a like. If you didn't like the video, give it a like.